Thinking about making money online but not sure where to start? You are in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 5 highly profitable online business ideas that are beginner friendly, in high demand, and can help you go from $0 to $1,000 or more every month without needing a big budget or prior experience. So, the online business world is booming, and you don't need a ton of money or experience to get started. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or want to build a full-time income online, these business ideas will help you to take that first step. Hey there, welcome to your online income guide, where I share simple, actionable strategies to help you make money online. If this sounds like something you're interested in, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. And now, let's get right in. The first highly profitable online business you can start today is affiliate marketing. It is one of the easiest ways to start making money online, even if you have zero experience. The concept is simple. You simply promote products or services from brands you trust. And when someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. And the good thing about this is you don't have to deal with inventory, shipping, or customer service because you're not creating a product in the first place. The brand you're affiliating for will take care of all that. And once you create content consistently around your affiliate links, you can keep earning from it over time. And this creates, a passive income stream for you. Some affiliate programs pay 50% commission or more per sale, making this a very lucrative online business. To get started with affiliate marketing, the very first thing to do is to pick a niche. But make sure to focus on something you are interested in. There are different niches like fitness, tech, personal finance, or beauty. The more specific, the better. Next, sign up for affiliate programs. You have popular options including Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Impact, ShareASale, or you can have direct partnership with course creators or the brands you are interested in. Next, create valuable content. So what you have to do once you have picked your niche and you have signed up, for an affiliate program, you have to start sharing recommendations about what you're an affiliate for. You can do that through social media, maybe Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook. You can also use YouTube, or if you're into blogging, you can share that through your blog post or even email newsletters. And the next one is content creation. This is all about sharing valuable, entertaining, or educational content online. You can do that through videos, blogs, newsletters, or social media. If you're someone who loves expressing yourself and helping others, this is one of the best ways to build an online business. With content creation, you create multiple income streams for yourself. You can make money through ads, brand sponsorship, affiliate marketing, and selling your own digital products. And the more content you create, the more you position yourself as a trusted expert in your niche. And this is also a highly scalable online business model because a single piece of content that you create today can keep earning you money long after it is posted. To get started with content creation, decide on your niche. Focus on a topic you enjoy, like travel, fashion, cooking, personal finance, or productivity, whatever it is that you enjoy. Then pick a platform. Choose where you want to create. Will it be on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or even on a blog? Next, create valuable and consistent content. Let your content solve problems, share tips, or entertain your audience in a way that keeps them coming back. Lastly, monetize your content. You can start with affiliate links, Then explore brand partnerships, ads, or even launch your own digital product. For example, if you love fashion, you could create TikTok videos styling different outfits, reviewing trends, or sharing fashion hacks. As your audience grows, brands may reach out to sponsor your content, and you can also earn money by linking to outfits with affiliate programs. The key to success in content creation is consistency and value. The more helpful, entertaining, or inspiring your content is, the more opportunities you create for yourself. For instance, a new YouTuber can make between $100 to $500 per month once monetized through YouTube AdSense. Some content creators build up to $5,000 per month in a year by diversifying income streams. The possibilities are endless. Social media management is all about helping businesses build and maintain a strong online presence. As a social media manager, you'll create content, schedule posts, engage with followers, and analyze performance to help brands grow. And this is a profitable online business model because it is in high demand. Businesses are always on the lookout for social media experts. And you can work from anywhere in the world and even set your own rates. To get started with social media management, decide on a niche. Do you want to work with coaches, small businesses, personal brands, non-profits, or even celebrities? Then go ahead to learn the tools of the trade. There are so many tools involved in social media management. It is important that you know them and how to use them. Once that's out of the way, put your service together as a package and offer it directly on Instagram. You can start by creating helpful content for the clients that you're looking to attract. This would naturally gravitate them towards your page. Or you can use platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to source and get clients for your social media service. For instance, if you're great at creating Instagram Reels, you can offer content creation packages for brands. Doing this, you'll save them time and help them earn money by providing engaging, high-quality content. Now, as a freelance social media manager, you can charge between $300 to $1,000 per client per month, depending on your experience and niche, and let's say your location, because most people in the first world country tend to charge higher. So if you're in Africa, for instance, you might not be able to charge as they do. And it also depends on the clientele, that is the people you're looking to cater to. So let's say you start with just 3 small business clients at $500 each. Whoops, that's a whooping $1,500 per month. And with time, you can increase your rates or take on more clients, scaling to $3,000 to $5,000 or even more monthly. A virtual assistant provides remote support to businesses by handling a variety of tasks, such as email management, scheduling, customer service, or something even more advanced. Basically, you help entrepreneurs and businesses stay organized and focused while you take care of the rest. This is a highly lucrative online business because there is a high demand for virtual assistants across all industries. And also, your work hours are flexible. You determine when you want to work and how many hours you want to work in a day. You can also specialize in a niche and grow your expertise in that niche. To get started as a virtual assistant, identify your skills. Do you have administrative skills, social media, content writing, customer service, or project management? Whatever skills you have, you can use it to serve businesses as a VA. Once you've identified your skills, go ahead to create a service package based on the task you excel at. Then the next thing is to start promoting yourself. You can use platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook groups, even Instagram or virtual assistant job boards to promote yourself. But to even fast track your success, you can learn from established VAs through courses or mentorship. So, if you're a 9 to 5 worker looking for a flexible side hustle or a way to gradually transition into full-time online work, virtual assistants is a great option for you. Depending on their skills or location, virtual assistants charge between $15 to $50 per hour. So as a beginner, imagine just working for 20 hours a week at $15 per hour. You make for yourself a whopping $1,200 per month. The fifth highly profitable online business you can start today is digital product creation. So if you have knowledge, skills, experience, or even a hobby that people often ask you about, you can turn it into a digital product and make money helping others. This has to be my favorite online business model because you create it once and sell it over and over again. Who doesn't love the idea of passive income? No inventory, shipping, or ongoing work. Just digital downloads and profits. They have high profit margins, making them a great online business model. So, to get started, identify a problem people need help with. What do they struggle with around what you're knowledgeable about? Or what are they asking you about? Once you've identified that, create a digital solution to it in form of an ebook, planner, maybe a Notion or Canva template or a mini course. Then go ahead to package and sell it. You can use social media to promote and sell your digital product, or marketplaces like Seller, Gumroad, or Etsy. You have a lot of them, or even your own websites. So, for example, let's say you're a stay-at-home mom who has mastered homeschooling. You could create a homeschooling planner and sell it to other moms like you. Or maybe you're a graphic designer. You could create social media templates to small business owners who need professional-looking content and help them ease off a lot of stress. Selling digital products allow you to earn passive income. For example, if you create a $10 digital planner, selling 100 copies per month will bring in $1,000. The possibilities are endless. So, why not turn what you know into a digital product and start earning? And there you have it. 5 highly profitable online businesses you can start right now. Whether you go with affiliate marketing, content creation, social media management, virtual assistants, or digital products, the most important thing is to take action and start moving toward your online income goal. But here's the thing, just knowing these business ideas is not enough. What really matters is having the right steps to follow so you don't feel lost or overwhelmed and actually build a profitable online business. That's exactly why I created a free step-by-step guide to help you go beyond just ideas and start taking action with confidence. Inside this ebook, you will get a clear understanding of how online business works, the must-know mistakes to avoid. These are beginner mistakes and how to avoid them so you can start with confidence. A step-by-step roadmap to follow, so no more feeling lost or overwhelmed. This guide gives you a clear plan so you know exactly what to do next. To get your free copy, click the link in the description below and I'll send it to you. Now tell me, which of these business ideas excites you the most? Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear. And if you found this video helpful, Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on new content. See you in the next one.